as part of the Germany's $107 billion military modernization plan launched last year in response to escalating tensions in Europe. The German army will purchase 82 more H-145M armed helicopters to increase combat capabilities. They will gradually replace the Tiger attack helicopters currently in service in this country. According to a source from the German Ministry of Defense, the H-145M helicopters will be converted and equipped with anti-tank missiles to increase their attack capabilities. The German Ministry of Defense has not yet commented on this information. According to Reuters, the German plan is worth about $3.3 billion. Germany's defense policy has changed dramatically since the war in Ukraine committed to comprehensive modernization of its armed forces. The H-145M is an armed helicopter based on the EC-145 family. It can be outfitted with ballistic protection, self-sealing fuel tanks, electro-optical or infrared sensors, military-grade communications and navigational systems, and an electronic warfare self-protection system. The H-145M's weapon system can precisely aim 12.7mm and 20mm gun ports and 70mm guided and unguided rockets. Anti-armor capability will be provided by integrating Spike ER-2 missile to the helicopter's armament. The power, range, endurance, and payload capability provide a variety of deployment possibilities. A key feature of the H-145M is the wide range of available optional mission equipment packages that can be rapidly installed and removed based on the requirements of the mission. Within minutes, the aircraft can be reconfigured from troop transport with seats to a search and rescue mission with rescue hoist and stretchers, or to an armed helicopter with a set of weapons and ballistic protection. The helicopter is powered by two Turbomeca Ariel 1E2 turboshaft engines developing 740 horsepower each. The H-145M can reach a top speed of 167 miles per hour, a range of 420 miles, a surface ceiling of 17,190 feet, and a rate of climb of 1,590 feet per minute. Airbus officials say the team will provide Germany with a high-quality package with an attractive price-performance ratio and short delivery times. The H-145M is also in service with Hungary, Luxembourg, Serbia, and Thailand. The US Army operates the UH-72 Lakota, an earlier model based on the EC-145.